The Food Safety Authority of Ireland has said that children aged 10 and under should not consume slushy ice drinks containing glycerol due to potential side effects. The warning follows a new risk assessment published by the European Food Safety Authority.
The Food Safety Authority are now advising that all children aged 10 and under should not be consuming slush ice drinks that contain glycerol. It said children in that age category may experience headaches, nausea and vomiting, and on rare occasions could potentially lead to severe symptoms such as shock, low blood sugar and loss of consciousness.
When we tried to reduce sugar, when the industry tried to reduce sugar, they basically replaced it with this ingredient called glycerol. Glycerol has the same effect. It keeps the slushy. But unfortunately, the levels that are in these drinks, when the children drink them, they've been overexposed.
The FSAI also said that retailers who sell unpackaged slush ice drinks containing glycerol should display permanent point-of-sale warnings stating that the product contains the additive and is not recommended for children aged 10 and under. And as people enjoy the hot weather at Bray Seafront today, there were mixed views.
The advice is good and probably should be more widely enforced if it's going to make kids nauseous.
We always try and kind of circumvent that. We can give other niceties and treats that aren't quite so sugar intense and other chemicals as much as the slushies, you know.
I'd say they're okay to have every now and again, but not all the time.
And would the kids look for them often?
Oh, do you look for them often? All right, yeah, definitely. But you don't get them often, do you? No.
For the rest of the population, the advice is that slush drinks containing glycerol should only be consumed in moderation as a treat. Sharon Lynch, RTE News.